Hello everyone. So I just wanted to show you how to change this BMW emblem that you have on the hood here. So I would try to make a small guide on how to do that, and yeah, I know it's been a while since I uploaded anything, but I just got the new emblem here. Yep. Brand new, looks very nice. I think I'll just try to zoom in on the old one here, so you can see that it has a bit of, it is a bit worn out. So a change is needed, and I'll try to demonstrate for you how to do this. So I have some tools here. I think all you actually need is a couple of prying tools, and if you have like a real paint, then you can put some painter's tape here. But I'm actually having like a wrap, so I don't think it's necessary for me. But if you you can just take some cloth or whatever you feel like, and then just try to see if I can pry this one up. Actually quite easy on this one. Yeah. And yeah, there is actually some left over here. I think I'll just take a microfiber cloth and just wipe it off here. So it looks a little bit funky, this one. There is a bit of sticky. Yeah, but I think it should be okay to put in a new one here. But it does not look the same. But I can try and see what happens. This one is also pretty broken. Hopefully I won't do that, and then I wish the dealership did this. Yeah, it is actually quite loose. I think I'll need to put on some tape on this one, some 3M tape to keep it tightened. I think in most cases then there is some rubber gaskets here that you can use. I'm not sure what this actually. I think this is some leftover stuff from here. But yeah, I think I'll just stop the video and then put on some tape on this. So what's gonna happen here is I'm gonna put on some some 3M tape up here, all over here, and then some on here, and then push the emblem on. I'm just gonna put the tape on and then fast forward 2 seconds. Fast forward, I put in like a lot of 3M tape here, a couple of layers, and I think I just need to push it in, and then hopefully it will stick somewhat in place. Just let me see. Yeah, I think this is perfectly good. Then it just needs to sit here for a while. Yeah. Fast forward. Yeah, so now it sits perfectly flush. Yeah. Really good. Really good. And for reference, this was the old one. Yep. Great. So now you know how to do that. Thanks for watching.